How to change Instagram username on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your Instagram username on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to change your Instagram's username on your PC, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go to instagram.com and log into your account, and after you have done that, you want to simply come to your profile page. Now once you come to profile page, you will see a couple of these options, but here you can see there is no option. If I go to edit profile, there is no option to change my username here. So what I need to do is you need to go to this Meta Account Center tab, as you can find here, and once you go to this Account Center tab, here you should be able to see all this where you have to select your Instagram account, and after you have done that, you can select your username here, and once you select username, just go ahead and make sure to enter the username that you'd like, and then hit the done option, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically save the changes and then change your username on Instagram. This way you can change Instagram username on PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.